So you have a new layer above this one, so here's the transparency of this. So that's the first one. So we just get a new layer. Right at the bottom, here's where the new layer icon is. Create another rectangle, go to the gradient or start to hit the keystrokes. G is the gradient. Grab the same one, copper, just to start off. Repeat the same process. Okay. If it does have the transformation keys, that's going to happen with this button right here. Or just go to Edit, Transform to Perspective. So there's that part. Okay. And go ahead and hit OK. But then and then select, deselect. And I'm going to turn the transform keys off so you can see it. And I'm going to create another layer just so you can see the difference of why you want to use layers, and take Ellipse tool. Create an ellipse, but hold the spacebar down till the tangent on the left and the right, and it kind of fits just beneath, just right in there. If I zoom in, you can see a little better. I'll deselect it again, but it's on its own layer, so I'll be able to adjust this. And this is going to be the bottom of the ellipse that you're going to be able to see. Okay. Take the gradient again, just hit the letter G, and you can change the shading of this, the location of it. If I click outside, it'll stretch the gradient so it goes top to bottom that way. Command plus or minus lets you see this. And now you have select, deselect, or Command D. And now you have this shape like so. It's on a separate layer. So when you shift key these two on the layers palette, and there's a sub-menu right at the top, it allows you to merge these layers, or Command E, so now they're on one layer. And now when I get the drop shadow, double click on here. Drop shadow is usually at the base, on the bottom of it, and I can set this shadow off to the side. Change the opacity for it. The size is the amount of the blur on the edge, so it gets softer as it goes away. And the distance can be manipulated right from the screen. And click OK. So it's just trying to give you a simple way, at least, to start off. Again, that selection part is there, and that's all created on there if I undo it there. So it's just giving you the option of trying to show how to do it from one direction where you can't see the bottom, and the other part where you can see them. Okay. Again, if you have auto select, it lets you position these apart right on the layer. So give that a